Hello friends, today in Health in Your Hand segment, I shall be telling you a very effective treatment for the most common of all ailments, the common cold. It is something which affects all of us, be it the small children or the grown-ups and the adults in the house, especially during the monsoons and when there is a change in the weather. So the things which you would require for this treatment are the methi dana and a red sketch pen. That is all. The red sketch pen and the methi dana. Friends, please be sure to use a sketch pen and not a ball pen. We need a liquid color for this treatment. Now the exact correspondence point for the nose is to be found on your thumb. It is found on the thumbs of both the hands. The correspondence point for the nose is at the place where your fingertip is starting. The fingerprint starts from this region and you would notice that it is slightly protruded from the rest of the thumb surface. So this is the correspondence for your nose. As soon as you start sneezing or you're getting the sniffles or even allergic sneezes, you can give treatment on this area and get relief. All you have to do is give pressure in this region like this. If you do not have a probe, you can just give the pressure using the fingertip in this manner. And after doing that, just take a red sketch pen and mark it in this manner. Put a straight line on this part of your thumb. A straight line like this with red sketch pen on this part of your thumb, and you will notice that within a matter of a few minutes your sneezing would have stopped. This can be effectively used for children also. There are no side effects for this and it is extremely useful, which I am telling you from my own practical experience. And to enhance this, you can even make use of a methi patti like this. Stick a few methi seeds on the paper tape in this manner, and then where you have drawn this line, you can just paste it on that area. And you can give pressure by pressing this paper strip in this manner. This is extremely effective for any cold and sneezing problems. The strip should be kept on your thumb for at least 8 hours. It can be used at night as it is most effective, and the chances of the seeds getting wet during night are minimal. If the seeds get wet, please change the strip. Once you get up in the morning, remove the strip and throw it away. The seeds cannot be reused. Every time you have to make a fresh strip and apply it on the correspondence area. So next time you feel that sneeze coming on or the cold coming on, be sure to use this treatment and see. All the very best.